Okay, it's that time again. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cruising with the Case Handler. I am David Squeezaniki, your broadcaster right here on 93.5 WVIP and beyond. We are broadcasting also on Facebook. And of course, we've got the man himself, the personal injury attorney, Adam Handler, the case handler. Welcome to your show, my brother. How are you feeling today? Unmute, unmute, unmute.
You had me listen. You control this. You control this show. You had me muted. I'm sorry.
So what's up, man?
Brother? Good morning. Happy Wednesday, hump day, midway through the week. Here at my home office, doing what I do best, and that's representing those individuals that have unfortunately been hurt in an accident. Get as much money as possible for, of course, their medical bills, time out of work, and their pain and suffering. I've got a whole bunch of testimonials I want to get to today. I've been stocking up. We had a couple of clients come yesterday, pick up their settlement checks, hold up that big case handler check, leave some audio messages. And for those of you who have no idea what I'm talking about right now, shame on you. No, I'm just kidding. If you don't know what I'm talking about right now, you should definitely go on my Instagram and Facebook page, The Case Handler. The community is growing every day. And we post real life, true life success stories, people that got into accidents and then needed my help. So it's a great way for me, not just to tell you how good we are. It's a great way for us to show you how great we are. And that's the difference between myself and most of the other attorneys out there. The proof is in the pudding, as you always say, Squeeze. What does that even mean? The proof is in the pudding. What does that mean? I'm going to Google that. I just said it.
I mean, it means exactly what it sounds like. All right. The proof is in the work that you are doing. Okay. You have demonstrated that and showed that, meaning that work that you have done in your past, your track record has proven itself.
Yeah.
That's the pudding. And the pudding is always good.
So it says, so Google says the expression is used to say the real worth, success, or effectiveness of something can only be determined by putting it to the test and trying it or using it, putting aside all promises. The best test of pudding is to just eat it. Man, that just made me hungry. But yes, the proof is in the pudding, ladies and gentlemen. I am your case handler. My name is Adam Handler, third generation personal injury attorney. My family's been doing personal injury here in New York for nearly 100 years, since 1932, 90 years. Almost a century, and that's not by accidents, because we're really, really, really good at what we do, Squeeze.
Well, you know what, Adam? I want for us to jump right into testimonies, man. I mean, we didn't do testimonial Tuesday, but we have many testimonies of people who got into accidents, all different kinds of accidents. You have settled quite a few cases recently. You and your associate, Matt Goodstein, and your entire team, you've been doing so much for the Caribbean community. So let's just jump right into it, man.
Absolutely.
And then I'll tell you to get a haircut later on. All right? Let's jump right into it.
Wait, you're getting a haircut?
No, I will tell you to get a haircut later. On.
Get a haircut. I'm actually getting a haircut on Friday, so leave me alone. All right, I'm busy. Listen, if I had time to get a haircut, the thousands of people that have relied on me would not be getting the best service that they provide. So, at the expense of my own personal hygiene, I represent those individuals that have been in an accident. But all kidding aside, we did have some great feedback this week from some clients. I'll play a couple. Then we'll flip over to Testimonial Tuesday. And again, ladies and gentlemen, listening on 93.5 FM, it's still not too late. You can just go on your phone or your computer right now and follow the Case Handler on Instagram, follow the Case Handler on Facebook, and you'll be able to see this all live streaming and hear what I'm talking about. This is, I'm not going to use real names, but this is one lady that picked up that $1,250,000. We talked about that case a couple weeks ago. Pedestrian in the Bronx. Allstate was the insurance company. The maximum insurance was $1,250,000. We got every penny of it. In fact, I posted on my Instagram in real time, opening that check, opening that letter, and that $1 million. It came in two checks. It came in $1 million and $250,000. And opening that envelope and that $1 million check just posted out. Squeeze, I think you're going to like this testimony. Check this out.
Let's hear it.
And Mr. Matthew, what?
Good, Steve.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Mr. Adam, Handel and Mr. Matthew, what?
Good, Steve.
Good Steve. I know that they are good lawyers and whatever they think they're gonna work for you to get the money, all the money that you can get, they do it with flying colors. Good people, manageable people, people you can hug. They don't discriminate nobody like some people. That's true. All of us are just one. You don't have nothing to think about, say, racial or whatever. That team is a good team. And anybody in any trouble, just call Mr. Adam and he will get everything out of life. And that's my answer to everything. And God bless us all. Thank you.
That was like really heartfelt. I've never had the compliment that that we're not we don't discriminate. But you know what? Maybe I take that for granted that people are discriminated when it comes to professional services, legal services, and she, I guess, felt very comfortable knowing that it didn't matter who she is, what she looks like, where she's from. She's a human being, and she needed our help, and we got her every penny she was entitled to. So I really like that testimony. She gave that one the other day. What do you think about that one, Squeeze?
Well, I'll tell you what I think. And Adam, sometimes you may not see it. I mean, one thing that I must say about you is that you have dealt with the Caribbean community, so you can understand as to what the Caribbean community have gone through, especially the immigrant side of it. But I will tell you this: any black person, okay, or any person of color that walks into any attorney's office that is predominantly white, they are going to be thinking, I wonder if this person is going to discriminate. It's just because of how we were cultured, how we were brought up, and all of that stuff. You know, we have seen so many things and had so many atrocities, and with all these atrocities, we have encountered so much. So that's the reason why she said that.
Yeah.
That is in the back of her mind, because she's saying she probably, when she hired, like, oh, this guy's a white guy, I wonder if this white guy is going to do right by me, you know. And they have heard all the stories, but that's the reason why I say the proof is in the pudding, because for 17 years strong, you actually have shown and demonstrated to the community that regardless of race, creed, color, religion, sexual orientation, you don't care. Everyone is a human being, and you're going to give them your best freaking work.
Yeah, of course, less. Man.
And
listen,
that's what you have done. So that's what I think about
I
that.
know. Yeah, I really thought that was interesting. I never looked at it, but I also, have always embraced the immigrant community, and of course, the immigrant community has embraced me back. And when I'm on vacation and a stranger in a strange land out of the United States, or even in a different part of the country, when I don't know anybody or where to go, or if I needed help, how to seek help, it's a scary, intimidating situation. Mm-hmm. So I've always taken great pride in recognizing that those individuals that come to my office, just immigrating to this country, maybe even undocumented, for them to come and trust me to handle their one and only shot. I mean, that is a very high burden task on my behalf, because I got to pull through for them. I got to make it right, because that's how I would want to be treated. And I know this sounds very simple, but growing up, I was always told by my parents, treat people like you'd want to be treated, and you're good to go. It's as simple as that. And I think that approach is paid off in dividends for those individuals that really didn't know where to turn, that are in this country, maybe living in the shadows undocumented. They get into a terrible accident, whether it's on the street or in a car or on a construction site, or they're injured as a result of medical malpractice, and they don't know where to turn. And the fact that they turn to the case handler, the fact that they turn to Adam Handler, really is so empowering. And maybe we don't say it enough, but I'll say it right now. I mean, this is another woman. She just picked up a big settlement check the other day too. I haven't even listened to this one yet.
Yes, good morning, Matthew and Adam. It's Patricia Ford.
I just want to say how grateful I am. When I first came to you in my case, you accepted me and you assisted me. I want to let you know how grateful I am and how appreciative I am. I want to say thanks to Sandra and Sandy and you and Adam for all the time that y'all took and the call that y'all made to make sure that I was comfortable and I was taken care of. I can't tell you how much it meant to me, but I could tell you that in any future event, in the near future, and there's any need, I will give you a call. I will recommend anyone that I know that is in need of an attorney because y'all are so helpful and so there for your clients. I appreciated you very deeply. Thanks.
I mean, I didn't. That's the first time I'm hearing that, and it wasn't even a huge. It wasn't even a huge settlement. I mean, it was a significant amount of money, but it wasn't a huge settlement because her injuries weren't very severe.
Mhm.
But that's what it's all about, Squeeze. Listen, we all have a business to run. I'd be lying if I didn't say I didn't enjoy success.
Right.
But at the same time, when I can change people's lives for the better and right the wrong, it is a win-win. And there is no better thing for me, personally and professionally, than knowing that I'm able to help others while also helping my family. It's amazing. I mean, there are not many professions that
Right.
you can help an individual, while also helping yourself. It's usually a give and take, not a team effort. It's awesome.
Absolutely. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I am here with Adam Handler, and you heard quite a few testimonies. But something that we need to do is to give out the number of this top attorney. All right. The number for Adam Handler, the case handler, is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. Give Adam a call right now. Many of you are out there saying, I don't need an attorney. Nothing's going to happen to me. I'm not going to get into an accident. No one I know is going to get into an accident. And that's the way to think.
Yeah, I hope you're right.
Yeah,
I hope you're right about that.
Yeah, that's the way you should think. You should have that positive thinking. But just in case, put the number in your phone. Store the number. Once again, it's 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. And I implore you all to actually, visit the website, thecasehandler.com, and also follow Adam Handler on Instagram. Same name, The Case Handler. Same thing on Facebook. Same thing on YouTube. And check out the stories. Google him. Check out the reviews. See what he's all about. This is your accident attorney. All right? That's what I'm calling him today. He is your accident attorney. You get hurt in an accident, this is the only attorney that you will need. Adam Handler, The Case Handler. Once again, the number is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. Adam, thank you so much, man. I appreciate you.
Appreciate you, Squeeze. I will not let you down. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, there are no redos. You got one chance to get it right, and that's why we say one chance, one choice, one case handler. My name is Adam Handler. I'm the longest running, most celebrated personal injury attorney on this radio station. If your attorney is not named Adam Handler, I'm sorry to say, but you got the wrong freaking attorney.
Well, you know me, man. I'm going to say they have the wrong attorney, definitely. 844-774-3529. Thank you so much, Adam. Prior results do not guarantee similar outcome. However, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you definitely tune in each and every single day. We want for everybody out there to actually understand that we're here for them. Once again, 844-774-3529. Have yourself, ladies and gentlemen, an amazing
beep
day.